damn tree, man.
Holy shit!
Whoa, man.
What the hell were you doing? I thought you were aiming way more
I
left.
thought that was gonna hit me and kill me, man.
That was so high. Good thing you hit it high.
Yeah, I'm gonna hit it again.
Well, yeah.
I'm moving it over.
Okay. It seems like it too. Oh, where are you aiming here?
I'm just trying to punch it low.
Through there, right?
Just through.
Oh man.
That would have been
think
too high,
you-
obviously.
I don't know if you're aiming the right way here. Oh my god.
Scared.
Little. Oh, you hit it. Smacked another tree.